that one bird that got shot a little bit ago.
That was me.
We've been in the waterfowl game for over 30 years.
That's a stud.
We're waterfowlers making gear for waterfowlers. Come join us as we travel the world and hunt waterfowl. This is The Last Pass.
Close quarters. I mean, they come around the trees behind us, so they can't see us at all. We're in the A-frames out there, good hide, and they just come down this little chute. And I mean, they come in. You're shooting at 10 yards, like they're right there.
Nebraska, weather switched, cold, clear, winds howling, which is great. We got the stand-up blinds right on almost like I would say like a fence row tree line, and just a warm water slough out front. Super killer setup. And we got our back to the river, which I don't like my back to the river, but most of the ducks are trading right over us, so it's not a big deal. We got some honker decoys out, some live honker floaters, and the rest are all the live mallards. And so far, just trying to pick green and shoot mallards. We got a couple bonus ducks, so we're already kind of chipping away at them. So very cool spot today. Should be cool footage and good time with everybody. Mike Miller from Wildfowl, and a guy that I've known forever, Tom Christie, one of our carvers. I got David, who's an MLS soccer player. Josh is here from Outdoor Limits, and of course we're with Whiskey Sloughs. So far, good deal. We're just cleaning up, doing a pickup real quick on some mallards, and we'll get back to it.
Shoot him back there, guys! Shoot the hen!
I ain't shooting no hen. Hey Mario.
He's already got 5 hens.
Hey Mario.
Yeah.
I'm on the board, bro.
You're on the board?
Hey, bunch more out front, guys, coming around. I thought going into the hunt that they wanted to be there, so they would just hit that wind, drop, come in. But they would circle a little bit, and I felt like they were just staring down in the top of the blind. But we had that grass coming up in that S.U.B blind. They didn't see us, and it was just, you watch them on the right, and they just did it perfect. Some would come from up tall, come straight down, but yeah, just good sized groups for us too. It was fun.
Shoot him! Tom, Josh!
Kill him right there, back to his right, back to his right.
Damn!
Clean miss, swing and a miss. Kill those. center punching all 4 of them. Yeah, they were gonna get close.
Speed Shock 3-inch 2's getting it done right in the warm water slough today, so pretty killer. We don't have to overdo it. We don't have to go black cloud or anything else, so we're good to go.
Hey, what's going on? It's Mario from Final Approach. As we travel across the United States, Canada, and even Europe, our great partner Federal Ammunition is with us. They have everything from Speed Shock to Black Cloud up to TSS, and they have a new duplex load called Ultra Steel. Woo! That might be on your next hunt. Go to federalpremium.com, look up what you need for your hunt wherever you are and what you're chasing, and they're gonna have you covered.
You get these, they're not real valleys, but like you get these areas of just rolling ag fields and flat ground off of these rivers, and you'll get waterfowl that'll use the sand pits and the sloughs, and then they'll hop into the fields, and it's almost like a perfect trifecta of water, food, and loaf all in the same spot. And so you get these birds in the later part of the year, they congregate on the Platte and on those other rivers, and it gets pretty magical.
So far, we've hunted next to cornfields, and like I said, there's miles and miles, and the fields are kind of rolling with a little elevation change, and then you kind of get low spots where we shoot these ponds. And I mean, we drove out to a butcher shop today, and there's miles of cornfield, so everything is just ag ground here, and it's just a lot of good habitat, and then you have the river coming right through it, so it makes it for a special place to go hunt.
Kill a green one.
Right there, Tom.
Kill that
right there,
bird.
Tom.
Shoot him right there!
It was a lot of fun getting to work the dog on the blind retrieves. That was probably my favorite part of this hunt, was running her on her first like really long blinds where she crosses water onto land. We worked really hard on that over the summer, and I think it really shows, but still some work to do on the dog, but she's coming into her own. She'll be 3 here in a couple of weeks.
Pick out the green. Shoot him, guys. Pick out the green. Shoot him, guys. Shoot the green. Shoot him. Yep, second one. Bonus stuff. Shoot him. Shoot green. What do you got?
Yeah.
Top of it already.
We got a couple big honkers to come in and do it also, and watching those big birds come into that small of a hole is definitely fun and exciting.
Shoot him. Watch that one! We'll see a heavy one today.